Hello students, in our YouTube video we are going to do kinds of sentences. Chapter 11, page 58. Page number 58. I hope you all knows what is a sentence. A sentence is a group of words which makes complete sense. A sentence is a group of words which makes complete sense. For example, this is my desk. She is singing. A sentence always begins with the capital letter and ends with the full stop. Today we will be doing lesson 11, kinds of sentences, page 58. Open your book to page number 58. Before I explain you the concept of this, let's read the examples. Read the following sentences. Part 1. Number 1, stand up. Number 2, open your book. Number 3, read the first lesson. Number 4, don't look about. Number 5, please make room for me. Part 2. Number 1, Rama is a cricketer. Number 2, he also plays hockey. Number 3, he does not play football. Part 3. Number 1 is the sum hard? Number 2, why don't you work it? So dear children, first of all, what is a sentence? Sentence is a group of words that makes sense. Sentence is a group of words that makes sense. So what did the above examples show you? The part 1 shows command, means to give order to someone. For example, open your book. Part 1 also show a request that you make. Please give me a pencil. Please make room for me. So when you add please to a sentence, it is a request. Part 2 shows simple statement, which means just saying a line. For example, Rama is a cricketer, or he is a boy, or he goes to school. In these, you politely just tell something to someone. Part 3 shows the sentences which asks a question. Asks a question. You all know what are questions? Whenever you see a question mark, that is a question sentence. Example, is the sum hard? What is your name? Or where are you going? All these are question sentences. So in such sentence, you ask about something to someone. So we have done 3 types of sentences. Command, which is order. Request, which is politely asking someone. Questions, which is asking a question. Statement, which is simply stating something. Now open your English 1 notebook. English 1 notebook. We will write the definition first in the notebooks. Hold your pencils, open your notebooks and start writing. First of all, write the date, page number 58. Lesson 11, kinds of sentences. Kinds K capital and sentences S will be capital. Kinds of sentences. Question 1. What is a negative sentence? What is a negative sentence? Negative N-E-G-A-T-I-V-E. Sentence S-E-N-T-E-N-C-E. What is a negative sentence? Question mark. Answer is a sentence with not or no. A sentence with not or no is called a negative sentence. Once again, a sentence with not or no is called a negative sentence. S-E-N-T-E-N-C-E, sentence with, W-I-T-H, with, N-O-T, not, or O-R, N-O, no, I-S, is, C-A-L-L-E-D, called, a negative, N-E-G-A-T-I-V-E, negative sentence, S-E-N-T-E-N-C-E, full stop. A sentence with not or no is called a negative sentence. For example, F-O-R, for, E-X-A-M-P-L-E, example. Number 1, I cannot swim. C-A-N-N-O-T, cannot, swim, S-W-I-M. I will be capital. I cannot swim, full stop. Number 2, we do not eat rice. W capital, W-E-V-D-O-N-O-T. Do not eat, E-A-T, eat, R-I-C-E, rice. We do not eat rice. Number 3, the milk is not pure. The, T-H-E, the, M-I-L-K, milk, I-S, is, N-O-T, not, pure, P-U-R-E, pure. Underline the words here. I cannot, underline the word cannot. Number 2, we do not, underline the word do not. Number 3, the milk is not. The milk is not, underline the word not. Cannot, do not, not. These are negative words. Don't forget to underline the words. And don't forget to write the sentence in your notebooks. Now let's move to exercise 2, page number 60. Exercise 2, page number 60. Here you have to do only from number 1 to 10. 1 to 10. This exercise 2 has to be done in the notebooks. English 1 notebook. Take out your English 1 notebook. Look at the screen. I have only written the answers. You will also write answers only. Please do not write questions in the notebook. Let's start. English 1 notebook. Note down the date. Page number 60. Exercise 2. Turn the following into negative sentences. Turn the following into negative sentences. Here we will write only answers. And write it in very neat and clean handwriting. First letter will be capital and full stop should be there. Answer 1. These mangoes are not sweet. These mangoes are not, N-O-T, not sweet. Underline the word not. Number 2, it was not raining last night. It was not raining last night. Underline not. Number 3, Rama is not going to Varanasi. Underline the word not. Number 4, Abdul is not working hard. Abdul is not working hard. Underline the word not. Number 5, the dog was not barking the whole night. The dog was not barking the whole night. Underline the word not. Number 6, Gopal has not eaten his dinner. Gopal has not eaten his dinner. Underline not. Number 7, Hari has not read the story of Aladdin. Hari has not read the story of Aladdin. Underline not. Number 8, I cannot walk 4 miles in an hour. I cannot walk 4 miles in an hour. Underline cannot. C-A-N-N-O-T. C-A-N-N-O-T. Cannot. Number 9. You don't look tired. You don't look tired. D-O-N'-T. Don't. Underline don't. You don't look tired. Last is my uncle does not live in Chennai. My uncle does not live in Chennai. Does not. Underline the word does not. Do practice and learn this. Don't forget to underline the words. Next is again exercise 3, page number 62. Exercise 3, page number 62. Again we will do this exercise in our notebooks, English 1 notebook. Turn the following sentence into negative sentences. Turn the following sentences into negative sentences. We will write here answers only. Number 1 is, this is not your book. This is not your book. Underline the word not. Number 2, they are not cousins. They are not cousins. Underline the word not. Number 3, he is not a good player. He is not a good player. Underline the word not. Number 4, I am not a fast bowler. I am not a fast bowler. Underline the word not. Number 5, you are not a fine batsman. You are not a fine batsman. Underline the word not. Number 6, we are not cricketers. We are not cricketers. Underline the word not. Number 7, they are not Europeans. They are not Europeans. Underline the word not. Number 8, these are not my buttons. These are not my buttons. Underline the word not. Number 9, that is not your book. That is not your book. Underline the word not. Last one, there is no room here. There is no room here. Last sentence is same as it is in the book, but underline the word no. No is a negative word. Write, learn and do practice. Be very careful about the last sentence. Don't add anything in it. So students, I hope you have understood what is a sentence, kinds of sentences, and how to make a negative sentences. Children, for making negative sentences, you need lot of practice. Only with practice, you will learn how to make a negative sentences. Thank you students. Take care.